Second module, Tools Techniques for Growth. Welcome to Module 2 of Growth Hacking 101, where we'll explore the essential tools every growth marketer needs. Let's start with analytics tools. Google Analytics is a must-have for tracking website traffic and user behavior, while Hotjar gives you heat maps and visual insights into how users interact with your site. Next are automation tools. Zapier is great for automating repetitive tasks and connecting apps, while HubSpot is an all-in-one platform for managing CRM, email marketing, and sales pipelines. Lastly, tracking tools like Bitly help you monitor link performance, and UTM parameters are invaluable for assessing the effectiveness of specific campaigns. Together, these tools form the foundation for effective growth hacking. Let's move to A/B testing, a powerful technique to optimize campaigns and user experiences. A/B testing involves comparing two versions of a page, email, or feature to determine which performs better. You can test elements like headlines, call to actions, images, or layouts to see what drives better results. Tools like Optimizely and Google Optimize make it easy to set up and measure experiments. To get the most out of A/B testing, remember to test one element at a time and ensure you have enough data to draw meaningful conclusions. This will help you make data-driven decisions that truly impact growth. Finally, let's talk about leveraging data for smarter decisions. Growth hackers rely on multiple data sources, including website analytics for metrics like traffic and bounce rate, and user feedback tools to gather direct insights from customers. Analyzing user behavior through funnel analysis can show you where users drop off, while retention metrics like cohort analysis help identify patterns in customer loyalty. Once you have this data, turn insights into action. For instance, if your funnel analysis reveals a weak CTA, test different phrasing or design to improve performance. Data is your guide, use it to refine strategies and achieve better results. That wraps up Module 2. Next, we'll dive into customer acquisition strategies. See you in the next module. To become a professional digital marketer, join our certification courses with guaranteed placement.